everybody, it's me, Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far today. Today's video is going to be a fun one because I am announcing who won the giveaway from last week. That really warm, cozy looking Stitches and Rose hoodie. I will be announcing who won that giveaway. So if you entered that giveaway, stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss who won because it might be you. You don't know. But before I announce who won that giveaway, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you for liking and commenting and sharing my videos. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. Don't forget to click that bell icon when you do. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos like giveaways, and who doesn't love a good giveaway? And I do, so you should subscribe because they will be more in the future. I actually have a big one planned for Christmas. We're going to talk about that in just one second. But back to the little intro here. There are links in the description below. Facebook, Instagram, Knitcrate, the merch store. There's so much going on down in the description, guys. Check that out. Tons of information. So let's just get into today's video, which is I'm announcing the winner of the giveaway. And basically how I chose the winner was I loaded all the comments from that video. I just sat there and I scrolled through up and down, scrolled up and down like a few times. I landed on someone, and who I landed on was, I took a screenshot of it, and it is right here. It is Linda Crazyforyarn. So, I don't know, again, professional mode here, showing you my phone. Linda Crazyforyarn, you are today's winner of the very warm and cozy Stitches and Rose hoodie. There will be information in the description below just for you, Linda. It'll tell you, I will give you my email address, and all I will need from you is the size and color. I'll list the colors down below as well. Choose a color, choose your size, email me that information with your shipping address, of course, and I will get that out to you as soon as possible. So congratulations once again to Linda Crazyforyarn. Now, things I wanted to talk to you guys about. I have my ugly cardigan, like my progress on that. I have some socks, I have some Knitcrate, and I have the Christmas giveaway. Now, I know I talked about this in my last video. I had this huge thing planned, and it was going to take lots of money and lots of time, and a lot of you had commented on, why don't you just have the viewers or my subscribers like maybe donate something knit or crochet related, and I can just gather that all up and have a giveaway with the like donated new items that are knit and crochet related. And I thought about it, and I know a few YouTubers have done it before in the past, and it's a great idea, and I don't want to steal anyone's great idea. The one I remember specifically was Mogadore Crochet. Crystal, love her. She has so many great crochet tutorials. I have, before I even had my own channel or even really knew how to knit, I followed so many of her tutorials. She has purses, and she has ponchos and scarves and hats. I mean, she is so creative, and she comes up with that stuff all by herself. And so if you have not checked out Mogadore Crochet, you need to, because especially if you're into crochet, she has so many creative, wonderful things on her channel. So check her out. But I know last year she did something very similar. Her viewers, her subscribers would send her things like yarn, crochet hooks, stitch markers, just books, all kinds of stuff that was knit or that was crochet related, and she had one big massive giveaway at the end of the year, which I think is great. So what I was thinking, I know she kind of got overwhelmed with how many things she received, and I think that's wonderful, but I was thinking if you guys are interested in doing something like that, I would really only want you to send one item, and it would have to be a brand new item, like a brand new skein of yarn or some knitting needles, brand new of course, and just, you know, things that are knit or crochet related, but they just have to be brand new and only one item. I do not want to get overwhelmed with things, and I know shipping is super expensive, especially when you're shipping a lot of things, like a big huge box. So I've decided that I think she only had maybe 1 or 2 giveaway winners. I don't really remember, but I was thinking, depending on how many items I receive, I would of course open them on camera, which I think would be really fun too. And I think if I receive enough, I'm going to have multiple winners. So I was thinking maybe 24 items, like or maybe 25 items. So think of 25 days of Christmas, 25 items, and each person will receive 25 items. So if I get a lot of items, each person will get 25 items. Does that make sense? I hope I'm explaining it correctly. I'm not always the best at explaining things. So if you would like to donate one new item that is crochet or knit related for the Christmas giveaway, and I will open all the packages on camera. I think that'll be super fun. I will leave my P.O. box down below. You can send one new crochet or knit related item to that P.O. box, and I will open it here on camera, and that will all go toward the giveaway. So I think that might work out better, and then I would just have to cover like shipping and boxes and things like that. Now, I hope no one gets mad at me, so hear me out. But I'm probably only going to be able to afford to ship to the US and Canada. I don't think I'll be able to ship overseas. So for all my viewers and my subscribers that live overseas, I truly, wholeheartedly apologize that I cannot send you things that massive in a giveaway. So I apologize. So please, for my viewers overseas, don't send anything in for the giveaway because you won't be entered. And that's exactly how you enter the giveaway, is when you send in an item, I write your name down, and that's how you enter the giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, you have to send in one new crochet or knit related item. This sounds so confusing, or is it only confusing in my head? I think I'm confusing myself. So basically, if you want to enter the giveaway and you live in Canada or the US, you can send one new knit or crochet related item. I think that pretty much sums it up. And for all my subscribers and viewers overseas, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I just will not be able to afford shipping overseas. So I'm sorry. So please forgive me. Okay, so that's out of the way. Remember, the P.O. box is in the description below. Send one new crochet or knit related item if you want to enter the Christmas giveaway. And if I have a lot of items, there will be more than one winner. Okay, I hope I made that clear enough. And thank you for all the great ideas. And again, check out Mogadore Crochet. She is excellent at teaching crochet. So if you're into crochet, check her channel out. And now back to what I wanted to talk to you guys about, which is my ugly cardigan, the progress of my ugly cardigan. And I have not progressed very far on it because for the past few days I just have been feeling like I had a really bad headache. Not that any of you care, but I had a really bad headache and was just kind of all day. So I haven't really been doing much of anything, but this is how far I've gotten on my ugly cardigan. Again, still working on the back panel. I have started up here like decreasing for the shoulders. But yeah, that's my ugly cardigan progress so far. And again, not too far. And you know, I wanted to talk about socks because my last video I said I want to make some socks with this really pretty yarn, but I'm not going to do it until I finish my cardigan. Well, that was a lie because let's get real. I can't work on just one project for until it's finished. I have to work on multiple. So I started the socks. I had 2 hanks of this yarn. I put it in cake form, and I still have this much left after one sock. So I have a pretty decent amount left from one cake. I have a whole other cake here for another sock, and here's what my sock looks like. It's exciting. It's a sock, you guys. Like you've never seen a sock before. But I think it's really pretty. I love the way the colors striped out. And I did my afterthought heel, and let me just tell you about the afterthought heel. I think it's my new absolute favorite afterthought heel. Like, that is going to be my new favorite heel, I think. It's easy, and I don't really have to think about it when I'm knitting the actual sock because I'm doing cuff down, which I learned that just recently as well. I do cuff down, and I just knit like a huge tube until I get to like the toe, and then I just do decreasing. And then I know I told you I was going to do the chimney toe, but I didn't want to mess it up because I kind of liked how it turned out. Super nice socks for just around the house or like, you know, bed, I think they call them bed socks or something. But I just did the Kitchener stitch to like finish off my toe, which isn't that hard either. I was so scared of the Kitchener stitch, let me just tell you. I was like so nervous, and it is like the easiest thing ever. Some might struggle with it, but the way I remember it in my head, super easy, and it goes super fast, and it looks really, really nice. Can you see? Yeah, see? Anyways, so yeah, Afterthought heel and my Kitchener stitch toe. Super easy sock. It took me less than a day, and I didn't even work on it like a solid. Like, I just worked on it here and there, and came out really nice, and it's really just nice and warm. It's wool, so nice for the winter. What else did I want to talk to you guys about? So much. That Christmas giveaway kind of just really, it was a lot of information, so I'm sorry about that, and I'm sorry if it was kind of boring to sit through. Like, this probably is boring. I'm gonna stop. Okay. Knitcrate real quick, end of the month Knitcrate. You still have time to order September's Knitcrate. They are having a game right now. You spin the wheel, you can win some great deals. They have like $10 off, I think. There's just all kinds of deals. You spin the wheel, see what you land on, but don't worry. If you don't land on a deal and you lose at spinning the wheel, you can use my code, which is NERVOUS20. It'll save you 20% on your first month. And this month, this is the Knitcrate membership. You get 2 hanks of yarn, a knit pattern, and a crochet pattern. And this month, their yarn is this pretty nice green. I think there's 4 different colors you can get. You can't choose your color, but there's 4 different colors you can get. And it is merino wool, silk, and cashmere. So really premium quality materials. It is always a premium quality yarn. Love this yarn. And you know, a lot of times I'll get this, and I get the patterns too. Like I said, you get a knit pattern and a crochet pattern. And sometimes I'm just not digging the patterns. No biggie, because you mostly can use all this yarn for socks. Because I've been receiving it for like 5 or 6 months now, and it's always been a wool blend. So I think you can always make a sock with this stuff. Or like this. This was in my Knitcrate, and I'm making socks, and I could even make a hat. So your options are really kind of open there. You can make whatever you want with the yarn, and it's always premium, always soft, and it comes to your door. And it's $24.99, and it ships everywhere worldwide for $24.99. That is the Knitcrate membership, and you can cancel anytime. That is my Knitcrate. Just to remind you guys, there still is time to receive September's Knitcrate and spin that wheel for a deal. And if you don't win, remember, NERVOUS20, it'll save you 20%. Alright. I think that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about today was the giveaway winner. Again, Linda, Crazyforyarn, congratulations, you are the winner. Information you're going to need is in the description below. There'll be colors that you can choose from, my email address. Email me your size and the color you want, and I will get that out to you as soon as possible. Again, Linda, Crazyforyarn. Love that name. I showed you guys the progress I'm making on my ugly cardigan, the one sock that I made, and I hope I don't have the one sock syndrome. But I'm not gonna. I'm gonna finish a sock. One more sock, I can do it. It's in me. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's super long, and it's just like a winner giveaway. Yeah, a giveaway winner announcement. But there's so much I want to talk to you guys. I kind of missed you guys. It's been like a whole week since I've made a video. I'm trying to make more videos and upload more and do more. But, you know, I run out of ideas. So I just had so much to talk to you guys about today. Hope you didn't get bored. Hope you watched to the very end. If you did and you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when I upload new videos. And check out all the links in the description below. There's something for everyone. And until next time, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye.